Nagkuan kami kanina. Kasi birthday po ng aking prinsesa. 12th birthday. Ayan. Nilaglagay-lagay kami ng balon. Ayan po yung mga gagamitin nila. Kung anong style na naman. Ayan. Simpleng dekorasyon po ng birthday po ng aking prinsesa. 12 years old na po niya. Ayan po. So, ayan mga ka-angel. Samahan nyo ako kung ano ang magiging update mamaya sa kanyang party sa 12 years old birthday niya. Ayan po. Simple lang po naman po yung ikinabit-kabit namin. Pero may mga parang Hawaiian po ba yan? Ilalagay sa liig. Yung ganyan. Pagigising ko po. Ang itsura ko. Ayun, ganyan. Ganyan. Sasayaw-sayaw siguro sila. Ayan. Cheng, 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 cheng. Sinasapon niya. Kagigising ko po mga ka-angels. Kagigising namin ng matanda.
Wow, kada.
How ka na? Okay, upay. Tayo siya. Sinjumping yan kay sinjumping. Ayan po, nagsuot-suot na po kami. Sinubok-subukan po namin. Ibalik na natin. Ama, panglasog yung tisa, mawala. May parte po kasi mamaya, hindi lang namin alam mo. Ayan ang swimming pool. Ayan. May parte po kasi mamaya. So. Kama? Manggo ati siya. What's it ni Chuchi? Ni Switcha Wawos. Oh. Tsanga. So, ayan na mga ka-angels. Oh, yung mga bata, magugulong. Zoe, dance! Hi!
How does she?
What's your name already? Okay, play. Ang suot na. Okay. Ayan lang yung mga kaklase niya. Okay, done. Okay.
Connect to the speaker, guys.
Oh, connect to the speaker. Mga ka-angels, dumating na ang magugulong mga bata. Ayan, mga friend niya. I-celebrate nila ang kanyang birthday. 12th birthday. So, dito na ako sa kusina. Nagluluto po ako ng aking Philippine food na biya. Happy birthday!
Thank you.
No. Okay. Supposed to be. Guys, supposed to be also the boys can wear. You wear that one.
Yeah.
You wear, yeah. The boys also wear this one. Ilan? Oh, yan. Boys, no boys, this one you wear the yellow. This one is okay, boy. You wear the yellow one. Okay. Yeah.
Turn around.
What?
Not too hard.
But which one you want? I think better the pink one. Yes.
No, but that one's tangled. I'm just
You were like that. Okay.
Oh my God, so Hawaiian.
Okay, enjoy guys. Okay. But the food haven't come yet.
Excited.
The food haven't come yet. Wait.
Oh my God.
Okay. naglalaro sila. Yan naman siguro ang kanilang kung sa kanilang party. Ayan yung kanilang simpleng pagkain kasi may second party pa po siya. Ito is first party pa lang niya. Ayan. Ayan lang naman mga guides ang kanilang pagkain. Ganito lang kasimple ang kanilang birthday dito. Ayan ang mga food. Ayan.
Actually, are you filming this?
Ha?
Are you filming?
You eat. You
Oh my
eat lang.
god, auntie.
Ayun sila oh.
Okay. Okay, put your hand up.
Ayan, natapos silang kumain, lumublob sa swimming pool ang mga bata. Ayan po yung mga pinagkainan nila, hindi pa nila nayari. Pero may darating pa pong pizza. Ganyan lang po kasimple ang birthday dito. Hindi na dapat pagkagastusan ng malaki. Natapos na silang kumain. Andun na sila sa mga sa swimming pool. Oh. Your hands like that. Just like that. Just like that. I don't take picture. No, no, no. I don't take video. You make.
Your password? 06183.
Like that. Oh.
06183.
Wow. And got light, right? Oh. Got light. Just. Oh, got light. Wow. Then. Wow, very nice. So, andyan ang pagkain nila sa gilid ng swimming pool, mga ka-angels. So.
I won't relax.
Ayan po yung aming garden. Oh. Lalangoy sila pag nagutom. Ayan, may mga upuan naman mga ka-angels. So. May dalawang upuan. Cutting cake.
Savannah's. That looks so good. No! Oh my god. Now can we do this thing where everyone takes like this and like one person? Oh yeah. Okay.
Why nobody sing?
No, so we be the one. Why nobody sing?
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Ihao. Happy birthday to you. Blow it. No, she's praying. That's not a prayer.
Okay, cut.
Praying.
Okay, cut your cake. Cut your cake.
Oh my god, she got all of the filming mother. Bro, how am I supposed to? No, YouTube.
Just do the first.
That is fine. Thank you.
Okay, some more.
I'll take one for free. One of you guys. I'll take one for free. No, they don't want it. I want. You already got
Okay, cut.
You found it.
I want a moment, not yours.
Yeah, exactly. I have a second. I have a second moment. Go, Ihao! Girl, I don't know how to do this. Like,
Can I help you, Ellen? Ah?
my bad. No.
Need my-
Frick. I have a second cake. Any donation counts. Guys, who's skinny queen want that? You're like tree at the background. No, he knows he's the side character. You're really the background. He's the tree. Wait, guys.
So, ayan, mga nagkakagulo sa cake. Oh. Ayan, kumakain na sila ng cake. Ganyan lang kasimple ang kanilang birthday dito.
I love this. This is fun.
Didn't you say it was 20?
No, my bad, guys. Give them more than one. She said it's in
12 years old na siya. So, ayan mga ka-angels, maraming salamat sa pagsama nyo sa birthday ng aking prinsesa na sa simpleng birthday niya. Simpleng celebration ng kanyang birthday. So, maraming salamat at sana nag-enjoy din kayo na manood sa kaguluhan namin. Kaguluhan nila mga ka-angels. At talagang ganyan ang mga bata magugulo. Iba ang mga bata dito mga ka-angels magulo. So, ayan, maraming salamat mga ka-angels sa pagsama nyo sa simple birthday ng aking prinsesa. Ayan, 12 years old na siya. Kumbaga, teenage na siya mga ka-angels. So, ayan, sana mga ka-angels, huwag kayong magsawang manood sa aking mga upload videos. At salamat din sa pagsuporta nyo sa aking mga upload videos. At kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa aking munting channel, please subscribe, like, and share. At para palagi po kayong updated sa aking mga upload videos. At God bless us all mga ka-angels. Bye-bye!